guys, listen up. So when you're in the club or the bar and you're dancing on the dance floor, you don't want to be going all out with crazy dance moves all the time. You need to have that element where you can like kind of chill and groove on the beat and just look like a cool cat, and not always have to be going completely extroverted all the time doing large crazy dance moves and eye-catching moves, okay? Because after all, making something look effortless means that you've made it look smooth and sexy pretty much. So I'm going to show you some ways you can groove to the beat while literally doing nothing but just following this simple and easy concept, okay? Now this simple, easy concept can be broken down into 3 different types of movement patterns, okay? You got the bounce, you got the wobble, and you got the bop. Bounce, and the wobble, and the bop. Now the first movement pattern I want to show you guys is the bounce. Now, the bounce comes from the knees, okay? So it all happens right around here at our legs. And a bounce is just simply a bend of the knees. That is all it is. Now, every time we listen to music, there will be a bass line or a definite beat, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to hit that bass line or beat on the down movement of the bounce, not the up. We don't want to go boom, boom. We want to go boom, boom, okay? So there's a big difference there, and it's really important when you learn the bounce that you know the difference between boom, boom, and boom, boom, okay? So you want to hit down and bend. Now, a couple of things I want to point out to you here while I'm demonstrating the bounce is I want to point out to you that I'm consistently doing this dance move, okay? I'm just going up and down like I'm on some kind of bungee cord, yeah? That's, if you want to imagine of something that can help you do this movement, imagine you're hanging from a bungee cord and just going boing, boing, and you're bouncing, yeah? You don't want to try and force it up, down, up, down. You don't want to look like kind of a robotic toy. You want to just look like you're just bending your knees and just bouncing up and down, having a continuous movement to your knees. Now that is quite literally all the movement is, okay? But it can be hard to master and make look efficient. Now one way that you can give this a little bit more flavor is once you've gotten used to being able to just bounce on the beat, you can start mixing up the directions in which you bounce. Are you going to be stepping forwards, stepping backwards to the side? Are you going to be moving around on the spot as you bounce? Yeah? These are all things you want to consider. Now, when you do simple dance moves like side steps, okay, or a box step, whatever you want to do, okay, literally you can apply a bounce to it. You can apply a bounce to even a step out and a slide by just bouncing as you do that movement, yeah? So if you want to step forward, step back, step to the side and step back, you could do it boringly, or you could do it with a bounce. So you see here in those examples how I just took really simple concepts, really simple dance moves, and I kind of just turned it into a bounce. I turned it into a dance move in itself. I applied the principle of the bounce, and now I'm applying it to a two-step, okay? If I want to step across myself, okay? And I can really jazz it up by letting my body go, and I can point with my arms, and I can add character here, and then all of a sudden, I am dancing, okay? Now, you can do this as large, you can do the bounce as large as you want, you can go crazy with your arms, you can party mode, yeah? Or you can just chill with it, yeah? Just chill and look like a cool cat, okay? So this bounce dance move, okay, you can use it with kicks as well. This bounce dance move is a great way to just have fun on the dance floor, especially when everybody's just having fun and not one individual is going crazy, okay? Everybody's just having fun. You can kind of blend in seamlessly when you step on the dance floor by just adopting the bounce to the beat, okay? So, I want you all to practice with me, okay? Let's get that bounce rhythm happening, okay? It's really important that you practice this. I know it's simple, but Consistency is the key. Follow along with me. We're going to bounce for 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the bounce dance move. Now I want to show you the wobble. Now the wobble is a little different. It is a bit of a bend in the knees, but it's not about the bending of the knees. In the bounce, it's all about the knees. The torso doesn't really do anything but kind of just stay upright and go with the bounce, yeah? And you can let your body loose with it. But with the wobble, okay, it's more... Whoopsie daisies. Looks like that is enough for this free video, but the full video will be available online in my mentor program. So I highly recommend you guys check that out if you haven't already. It's crazy value. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Get on it. Link is in the description below.